Alright, on this tutorial we're going to go over how to use Grenadier systems, Grenadier launcher systems. So I have my system here, which is an MP5 with a underbarrel M203 launcher. I want to switch from firing regular rounds to Grenadier rounds. I press F so it goes to is literally the round type HEDP grenade. I'm aiming. It'll literally cycle me to the range indicator, which is right here. Okay, so range indicator right here is set in for 100 meters. You can see that in two different areas. See where it says 1, where that middle leaf is. If I'm looking at that tank, that's where the 1 is, right next to that little pop-up. And I can also see it upper right-hand corner where it says 100 meters. Okay, if I want to increase, I can do page up, and it will, as you see, hint at different angles for that range. And this goes all the way up to 400 meters. Doesn't mean it'll be effective up to 400 meters, just has the range for it. Now, for reloading, I want to reload the same round type. I just press R, and it simply reloads that round type for me. If I want to use a different round, I'm going to do a scroll wheel. And you see up right here, now they have one other type of round on me right now, which is the red smoke. I just scroll wheel and click it. It will load red smoke for me. Okay, that's how you change rounds. That's how you cycle into the grenade launching system. Now, when I'm actually firing this, I have to keep in mind wind. Wind is one of the biggest factors besides distance in how that round is going to fly. So if I want to check the wind, all I got to do is press left shift, then K. And that will pop up that what you see as a circle right there. That essentially means right now there's zero wind. So there's zero wind right now. The round should fly exactly straight where I want them to go. So I'm going to aim for that tank, which looks like an infantry team. That looks like probably around 100 meters, maybe a little bit less. I'm going to aim for it, and I'm going to fire. That round goes off. That smoke starts to bloom, and you see that round landed just before. Now keep in mind, the smoke rounds weigh a little bit less than the actual rounds, so they'll fly a little bit farther. So if I wanted to have a round hit that tank, I would aim up just a little bit higher than what I had originally. So I'm going to load in HEDP. You'll see different round types in the further slides. Aim up just a little bit, and fire. You see that was a direct hit on the target. That is how you use the Grenadier systems. They're pretty much the same on any weapon. And that's how you range correct for the wind. If you're doing range correction for distance, fire one round, see where it lands. I guessed the distance right on that tank, so that was good. The distance wasn't right. If I need to go up more, meaning more towards the target, that means my round landed short. My round landed past the target, that means I've landed too far. You just range correct forward and backwards, either by using page up, page down, or doing slight adjustments in between that by literally just moving up and down. Then left and right as you need to is self-explanatory. That concludes this tutorial.